Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse. Today we're checking out Compak's K3 Touch Advanced Coffee Grinder. Now the Compak K3 Touch Advance is the next generation in the line of K3 espresso grinders. Building on the success of the K3 Push, the Touch Advance adds a new timed automatic grind setting, a feature that works to get a consistent amount of ground coffee each time, suited to the home user with the performance that's well suited to keep up with the requirements of a busy cafe grinder. Compak Grinder's contemporary design blends with robust manufacturing to include an all aluminium body weighing 5.5 kilograms. It comes in the colors of matte black and matte white. And if you're looking to shop the K3 Advance, you can find them in this link up above on your screen. The capacity of the K3's hopper is 200 grams. This size not only helps keep your coffee fresh, with a hopper chute to remove beans back into the bag, the extra benefit here is that compact hopper keeps the K3's height below your average kitchen cupboard. And it makes an attractive option even for those who are limited on space. The K3 Touch Advance is a stepless grinder. The stepless grind setting adjuster is found just below the hopper, and it allows you to have full control over your grind sizes, and it's been upgraded from the push model being plastic to now stainless steel. You are able to adjust your grind sizes precisely in very small increments to your preferred tastes and extractions. And predominantly an espresso grinder, you are able to adjust all the way coarse on the K3 to get grounds you would use for French press or cold brewing or everything else in between. The Compak K3 Touch Advanced Grinder features the same 58mm stainless steel flat burrs that make the K3 grinder line so popular, offering precise and consistent grinding performance. With the motor turning out 1300 RPMs quietly and efficiently, it will dose out a full portafilter of coffee in under 8 seconds. To begin grinding coffee, once the grinder is turned on, you're given two specific options from the flicker switch, easily accessed on the side of the K3. When set to M for manual dosing, this allows you to push the portafilter into the lever to dispense coffee for any amount of time you wish. So long as that lever is pressed in, it will continue to grind, and you just need to remove the portafilter for it to stop grinding. And when you have it set to T, which is the automatic mode, you can tap the dosing lever with your portafilter and the grinder will dispense coffee for an amount of time set by you. By adjusting the timer dial found directly above the catcher, the time settings range from 6 seconds to 12 seconds of grinding and will stop automatically once that time is reached. So to set your preferred dose, all you need to know is how long it takes to grind the amount of coffee you need. And to set your dose accurately, you'll either need a set of scales or you can eyeball it to ensure there is no more or no less. It is important to note that if you adjust the grind size, you will also need to adjust the timer. The truly hands-free operation does allow you to focus on other tasks though while the coffee is being ground. A further application of the lever is the single and double tap option. With the single tap of the lever in T mode, the grinder will grind for your set time, but tap that lever twice and it will automatically double the time you've set on the dial. And this function becomes very useful if you're regularly jumping between a single and double filter basket, and that way you don't have to adjust anything for up dosing. And the catch tray on the K3 is very large and easy to remove to keep your workbench clean from any stray grounds. Not wasted, you can throw these into the next coffee or add it to your garden for extra fertilizer. And to complete the cleaning and maintenance of the Compak, you want to be able to remove the beans and then wipe out the hopper fairly regularly. And then on occasions undoing the top adjustment ring to access the burrs, and either by blowing or vacuuming out all the coffee dust that accumulates. Also you can use some grinds cleaner tablets once in a while to keep the K3 performing effortlessly. Built to last and made to perform, the Compak K3 Touch Advance is a reliable, on-demand grinder that does bridge the gap between the home and cafe espresso brewing, letting you enjoy the best from both. If you have any questions on the Compak K3 Touch Advance, throw them in the comments section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon on your screen, and then that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.